urarushye se cyangwa you're still comfortable, you still hari umuntu mwigeze kuvuga ngo you cannot have the strength to pray until you have enough problems. kugeza ubwo wibaza ngo ejo bazasohora mu nzu nibwo ubyuka ngo usenge. Urumva ikiremwa muntu kugiteye kuki tutemera tukihuza na instruction Imana yaduhaye tutabanje kuremererwa n'ibibazo kuko ari mu mutugudu arimo arakora. Turimo turumva ubuhamya hano hariya hirya tukumva byagenze gutya, umuntu yakize, umukecuru ejo yaraturangije muri service mwarimo hari ya couple 13 years muri relationship nta kintu bafata, barafata ubusa. Uzi ko hari ibintu umuntu agenda akajya urayo Jesus Christ, umuntu aragenda akagira gute akazerera mu bintu, akarindagira, agashoberwa, akikwanga mu bintu bidafatika, akagira gute. Instruction ari imwe gusa. Uzi ko instruction Imana yaduhaye ihetse, iyo ifite ihetse ibintu byose twifuza. Niyo mpamvu yatubwiye ngo nimureke ibindi, mureke ibyo ndabizi ko bihari. Aha Bibiliya icyo Masuzana arimo aravuga ngo nyuma yuko abonye ko Yesu arimo arakora icya kabiri yararushye, hari ibintu yararambiwe, ntushobora gutera intambwe hari ibintu kiri muri massaging.
You cannot make a step until when you are still massaging some things.
Reflexology, you want uracyahindukiza ijose bigakunda hara hano bige umuntu akumva ibinda birushye, ndushye ibintu bitava mu nzira, ndushye ibintu bidafatika ngo bifate, ndushye ubuzima bwo kudasoma ijambo ry'Imana, ndushye ubuzima bwo kudasenga, ndushye biriya byose ufite mu muryango wa icyo kitarazamo nibwo bwonyine Imana ivuga tukayibaza ngo why, when, how, ariko umaze kwakira uhumekeye n'umwuka w'Imana. Nicyo cyabaye kuri Mariya yari afite fiance amaze guhumekerwa n'umwuka wera, nta nubwo yiriwaze yagiye ako kanya, yagiye mu kirere arabyemera, arabyakira, aragenda, aravuga ati you know what, aho twahereye mu mwijima turabirushye. Wibaza ngo Mariya umwuka w'Imana yamusanze atarasanzwe asenga, yarasanzwe asenga, yarabizi ko bafite n'igihe bamaze cy'umwijima. Agiye kubona umucyo uraje, akubita umucyo na fiance ku munzani, aravuga turabizi Yosefu we bye bye, reka nigendere nkora ubushake bw'ijuru. Birasaba kurambirwa, kuruha ibintu bimwe na bimwe kugira ngo ufate umwanzuro iyi mpumyi yafashe.
This guy, after hearing all the miracles that Jesus had done all around,
amaze kumva ibitangaza byose Yesu Kristo yakoreye,
when he realized that this is my appointed time, I have met Jesus now, he knew that my time is now. If I miss this time, I will never have it again.
Aramenye neza ko isaha yiwe yari yageze, aravuga ngo ndi kumwe na Yesu Kristo, uwo ni uwo mwanya wanje, iyi ni isaha yanje, uyu mwanya ni wamara kunshika.
So in the appointed time, he had to react exactly to what Jesus told him, because he knew that these chances do not come always, they come once.
Muri no saha yageze yaramenye neza ko ategerezwa gukora ico Yesu Kristo ariko aramubwira gukora, kuko muri kino gihe cy'isaha yageze iyo ayo mahigwa gucitse nta ubizi ko agaruka.
I tell you, Grace Room, there is a mystery about God. When he presents a season, they are not like the physical seasons that we have, that you know that it has begun raining and therefore it will rain for about 3 months and then we'll have another dry season. When the seasons of God come, you cannot predict them. So you would rather act now because you don't know what will happen tomorrow.
Ndababwira Grace Room, Imana iduhaye season, Imana iduhaye ibihe. Si bibihe tumenyereye amezi 3 imvura iragwa, iciraza, turatera, turagira gute. Imana iduhaye ibihe. Ni udafatiye muri ico gihe ngo connect muri uwo mwanya nyene nta wuzi ryari bizosha kugaruka.
This is why we call it a move. We see Jesus was going to Jericho, to Samaria, to all those places, and when this man received the opportunity of the appointed time of Jesus coming to him, he said, I am not going to let this man go. This chance belongs to me. I will not waste this chance. I don't know if he will ever come back to me again or he's continuing to other places.
Uno mugabo amaze kuronka no mahigwe yarayafasha, aravuga ngo nibigiye kunshika, Yesu Kristo ari imbere yanje, kuko ni ntafata no mahigwe ashobora kunshika, ashobora kugenda handi hantu.
Grace Room, This is an honor. The appointed time has come.
N'iteka
Let us
ridasanzwe.
act now, not tomorrow.
Isaha yageze, reka dukore ubu apana ejo.
Our eyes are hidden in our obedience.
Amaso yacu ahishwe mu kumvira kwacu.
Stop praying about your prayer requests because the Lord has already provided the eyes when He has put clear on your eyes.
Reka gusengera ibyifuzo byawe kuko Imana yamaze gutanga amaso aho yamaze gushira kondo ku maso yawe.
Just take the step of obedience and go to receive your eyes.
Tera intambwe yo kumvira ugenda ufate ku maso yawe.
Let us worship the Lord, He will do the rest.
Reka turamye Imana ibisigaye iravyikorera.
Let us give thanks to the Lord.
Reka dushime Imana.
Number 3, let us build a temple for the Lord.
Ica gatatu, reka twubakire Imana.
Like this man had no excuse for what the Lord Jesus was telling him to do. Let us throw away every other excuse that we've been having.
Nkuko no mugabo atarafise ivyitwazo gihe mwami Yesu Kristo kwamugisha gukora, reka dushire ku ruhande ivyitwazo byo tushaka kwa dufise.
There is no more time for excuses.
Nta mwanya tugifise w'ivyitwazo.
The Lord bless you very much.
Imana ibahezagire.